Good morning students, welcome back to the maths class. Now we will continue from the exercise 2.4. The first sum, represent the following rational number on the number line. We have completed the first sum. Now we will move on to the second subdivision and the third subdivision. The second subdivision is 6.4 bar up to 3 decimal place. So that means 6.4 bar, that means 6.444. It will moves on, it will goes on, but it is correct to 3 decimal place. So we have to take only 3 decimals places, 3 decimal numbers, 1, 2, 3. So 6.444 only we have to take. This is our correct to 3 decimal place. Correct to 3 decimal place. Why we have taken to 3 decimal places? Because in the question they are given that 6.4 bar up to 3 decimal places. So we have taken 6.444 only. Now we are going to represent this in the number line. This 6.444 lies between 6 and 7. First you have to write this one. The 6.444 lies between 6 and 7. So 6.444 lies between 6 and 7. We have drawn a number line, that is 0, 1, 2. Since it is a positive number, we have taken from the positive numbers only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So since it is lies between 6 and 7, I am going to expand this. So here I have to put 6. In this place I have to put 7. So in between 6 and 7, what are all the numbers will come? Tell me. Yeah, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, 6.5, 6.6, 6.7, 6.8, 6.9, 7. So here this 6.444 lies between this 6.4 and next 6.5. So we have to expand this. So here you have to write 6.40. Here you have to write 6.50. So after 6.40, 6.41, 6.42, 6.43, 6.44, 6.45, 6.47, sorry 46, 6.47, 6.48, 6.49. So now you tell me from which two numbers this 6.444 will lies? Yeah, very good. 6.44 between 6.44 and 6.45. So you have to expand these two numbers, 6.44 and 6.44, and here we have to write 6.45. So now tell me, the first number will be 6.441. The second number will be 6.442. The third number will be 6.443. The fourth number will be 6.444. The fifth number will be 6.445. The seventh number will be, fifth number will be this one. Sixth number will be 6.446. Seventh number 6.447. Eighth number 6.448. Ninth number 6.449. So here we arrived at that number, that is 6.444. So this is the representation of a number on the number line. Here we are represented 6.444 in the number line. Able to understand? Now we will move on to the next question. Yeah, represent the following number on the number line. Third subdivision, 4.73 up to 4 decimal places. Here the subdivision 3 represent 4.73 bar up to 4 decimal places. Answer, what we have to write now? 4.73 bar means 4.73, 73, 73. The 73 will repeat. So now they are asked us to take 4 decimal places. So 4.73, 73. These are all 4 decimal places. Yeah, what we have to write it here? Correct to 4 decimal places. Some of the teachers will tell that 4.7374 they will tell, because they will round off the 7 into 4. It is also correct that 4.7373 is also correct. So now the number 4.7373 lies between, tell me from which number to which number it lies between? Yeah, very good. Lies between 4 and 5. 4 and 5. So as I said earlier, this 4.7373 lies between the 4 and this 5. So we have to expand this 4 and the 5. So here you can draw this 4, use the scale, draw the line, and here you have to write the 5. So here you have to write 4.0, here you have to write 5.0. In between 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, 5.0 will come. Now tell me where this number 4.7373 will lies. Yeah, very good. It is lies between this 4.7 and 4.8. So this number and this number. So we have to expand the two numbers. You have to write the numbers between this 4.7 and the 4.8. Now tell me, here you should write 4.70, the last number you have to write 4.80. So the next number is 4.71, 4.72, 4.73, 4.74, 4.75, 4.76, 4.77, 4.78, 4.79. So now tell me where the lies between 4.7373. Yeah, it's good. 4.73 between 4.74. The number lies between 4.73 and 4.72. Sorry, 73 and 74. You have to expand that number. So the first number will be 4.730. The last number will be 4.740. What will be the middle numbers? Yeah, 4.731, 4.732, 4.733, 4.734, 4.735, 4.736, 4.737, 4.738, 4.739. The next number is 4.740. Now tell me where this number 4.7373 will rise. We approach it up to this 4.737, and after this only it will come. It will rise between 4.737 and 4.738. So you have to darken this. You expanded these numbers. Now we will get this 4.737, 4.738. So 4.7371, 4.7372, 4.7373, 4.7374, 4.7375, 4.7376, 4.7368, sorry 67, 4.7378. The last one is 4.7379. The next number will be 4.7380. So now where our number lies, it lies here 4.7373. This is our required number represented in the number line. Are you able to understand, children? Yeah. Now we'll move on to the next exercise. Before going into the exercise, we want to know some definitions for this exercise. Radical notation. Let n be a positive integer and r be a real number. Now you know what is meant by real number. If r power n is equal to x, then r is called the nth root of x, and we write nth root of x equal to r. For example, cube root of 64 equal to 4. Here root index is 3, radical symbol is this square root symbol, that is called radical symbol. This 64 is called radicand and this 4 is called the number. So you want to know these terms before going into these exercises. And one more thing you want to know, you have to know before this exercise is started, that is meaning of x power m by n, where m and n are positive integers. We interpret x power m by n either as the nth root of the mth power of x or as the mth power of nth root of x. So in definition we can't able to understand, so I have given in the symbol form. So this x power m by n, we can write it in the form of x power m the whole power 1 by n. So this is in one format. Are you able to understand? This is only I written in this definition. X power m by n, we can write it in the format of x power m the whole power 1 by n, or the x power 1 by n the whole power m. Are you able to understand? So which is equal to nth root of x power m. This also can be written as nth root of x the whole power m. So everything is the same only. So one can write like this format or this format or this format or this format or this format. For one format we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different ways are there. Clear? So it is important that you have to know all these 5 different ways to represent the radical number. Are you able to understand? So listen carefully. These are all are same only. You can write like this or like this or like this or like this or like this. Everything is same. Now shall we go into the exercises? Yes. After revising these only we can able to do in exercise sums. Now we will enter into the exercise. Exercise 2.5. The first question is, write the following in the form of 5 power n. So everything we have to write, in the form of 5 power n. The first subdivision is 625. 625. Yeah, exercise 2.5, 625. This we have to write it in the form of 5 power n. Before going to write it in the form of 5 power n, we have to find 625's prime factorization method. So do it by 5 tables. So 5, how many times it will come? 1 5 is 5, remainder 1, 12. 2 5s are 10, remainder 2, 25. So 5 5s are 25. Again do it in 5 tables. 2 5s are 10, remainder 2, 5 5s are 25. Now 5 tables, 5 times. Again 5 tables, 1 times. So this 625 is equal to 5 power 1, 2, 3, 4 is the 5 power 4 is the answer. Like this only we have to represent. It's very easy only. Are you able to understand? We have to find the prime factorization for 625. Then you see how many 5's are there. 4 5's are there. Therefore 5 power 4. Now second subdivision. Second subdivision is 1 by 5. So this 1 by 5 we can write it as 5 power minus 1. If any number is in the denominator, we can take this to the numerator and put the power as minus 1. Here it is, the power is minus 1. This law is we learnt in the 8th standard itself. A power m is equal to 1 by a power minus m, or a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. Both are correct. Here I use this one only. So 1 by a power m, here the power is 1. So this can be write like this, 5 power 1 minus 1. So 1 by 5 power 1 we can write it as 5 power minus 1. Here I wrote like this only. So and also it is in the format of 5 power n. The third subdivision, root 5. Root 5, it is understood that 2 root 5. Here it is 2 square root of 5. So this can be written as, I have explained in the meaning of x power m by n and the definition. Yep. So it can be written like this, 5 power 1 by 2. You will understand? The last sum is nothing but root of 1 to 5. For this sum we have to take prime factorization. 125 do prime factorization 5 tables. 2 5's are 10, remainder 2, 5 5's are 25. Again 5 tables, 5 5's are 25. Again you take 5 tables. It is 1 times. So this root 125. Root 125 we can write it as root 5 power 3. Are you able to understand? This we can write it as root 5 power 3. So which is equal to, as I said already, this root means 2 root it is representing. Simply root means it is there, the root index is nothing but 2, index number is 2 here. So 5 power 3. So this can be written like 5 power 3 the whole power 1 by 2, because this root is converting into 1 by 2. Able to understand? This root is converting into 1 by 2. Now we can multiply these two numbers. So you will get 5 power 3 by 2 is the answer. 5 power 3 by 2 is the answer. Similar way, they asked us to find the second question. Write the following in the form of 4 power n. Last sum we have seen 5 power n. Here it is 4 power n. The first we have to do the prime factorization for 16. So 4 4's are 16. So simply write this 16 equal to 4 power 2. The second subdivision is 8. If we are doing the prime factorization for 8, we won't, by the 4 table we won't get it. So what we have to do, we have going to follow another method, that 8 is nothing but 4 into 2. 4 2's are 8. Are you agree with me? Yes, it is 4 2's are 8. Then this 2 I am going to write like this, 2 power 2 the whole power 1 by 2. Sir, why? Sorry, 1 by 2. Sir, why sir? Multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2. If I am multiplying and dividing by 2, the same 2 power 1 will come. So here I am going to change this as 4. That's why I am doing like this. So this will become 4 into 4 the whole power 1 by 2. Are you able to understand? So 4 square is nothing but 4. So that only we are multiplying the powering with the 2 and dividing with the 2. Power is 1 by 2. Now this will become 4 power 1 into 4 power 1 by 2. Now if the bases are same, by using this law, a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n, we have to add the power. It is nothing but 4 power 1 plus 1 by 2. So if you add the power, you will get 4 power 3 by 2. Like this only we have to do it. The last subdivision is 32. 32 also we are going to do it by the previous method. 8 how we do know that, like that only we are going to do. So listen carefully. 32 can be write like 4 into 4 into 2. So 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So now this 2 we are going to change it. 4 into 4 is nothing but 4 square. 4 into 4 is nothing but 4 square. This 2 we have to write 2 power 2 the whole power 1 by 2 like the previous method. So now this 4 power 2 into 4 power 1 by 2. Now the bases are same, we have to add the power. So it is nothing but 4 power 2 plus 1 by 2. How to add this? So 4 power, the denominator is 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1. So what is 4 plus 1? 5. So 4 power 5 by 2 is the answer. Are you able to understand, children? Yeah, it's enough. Up to this you revise in your home. Thank you, children. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.